Hello guys, welcome back to GDG on Campus IMT crew. My name is Naveen Singh and I am management co-lead at GDG on Campus IMT. So today we are going to perform our challenge lab of the ninth module. The code of the lab is ARC126 and we will start the lab by simply clicking on start the lab, launch it with 1 credit, and now your lab will get started. Now open your Google console in incognito window, click on I understand. Now click on the checkbox and agree and continue. Okay. Now hide this tab and open your app sheet in incognito window. Sign in with Google. And your app sheet is now logged in. Okay, so click on this cross icon. Hide this app. Now simply moving on to the task 1. Here we have to open this ATM maintenance app in incognito window. Now simply click on copy app and come here. Copy this ATM maintenance tracker. Open your maintenance app and here replace this and click copy app. Now add a new tab. Firstly, let this process get complete, then we will move on to the next step of task 1. Now it has completed. Now simply click on cancel and hide this window. Now open your tab, open drive. Now in here copy this tickets and click on got it. Now click on share, then restrict it to quick labs. Okay. Once this is updated, now simply click on done and move back to your ATM maintenance app. Okay. Now what you have to do is click on check my progress. Now your task 1 is completed. And now simply what you have to do once you set this general access to quick labs, now simply come to your ATM maintenance app, click on data, now click on tickets 2 and just click on regenerate scheme. Now regenerate. Just come to your lab, click on this develop no code chat app with AppSheet and open it in new tab. Okay. Now move to this tab, scroll down. In here you have to create this maintenance tracker app. Now what you have to do is follow these steps to complete your lab. Okay. So if you miss one of these steps, next task will not get completed. Okay. Simply what we have to do now, open the chat app builder. Okay. So come to your ATM maintenance tracker app. Now click on chat app, click on create, then it is going to take 1 minute or 2 minutes. Now as you can see, the process of enable is complete. Now you will see the interface like this. In your customize section, click on first message and go back to your task page. Open your ongoing lab. Yeah, copy this text and paste it in this message text section and then click on my ticket and click on issues. So manage tag, to delete this manage tag, just click delete and then click save. Okay, now the settings are saved. Now click on new section. Now click on slash command. Now in the app view, come to your ongoing lab. In the create selection, issues reported by me, and in your name, command name will be this. I have copied this from my ongoing lab. Now copy this description and paste it in the description box. Make sure to not copy any extra space in any of the field. Okay, now click on next. To deployment setting, the deployment check, you just have to move app to deployed state. Okay, now your app is in deployed state. Now this is done. Now test your app. Now what you have to do, just open your Google Chat in incognito window. Now over here in the spaces section, now click on create or find a space. Now click create space. Now name it whatever you want. I am naming it ATM. Now click create, and now click on view apps over here and select this ATM maintenance tracker and click add. Now install app. Okay, so it is installed. Okay, next to all ticket, click here open in app. Okay, click on new ticket. Now enter your first name. Entering first name as GDG, you can enter your name. Now ATM ID I am entering. You will also enter ABC123 and select symptom as card reader not working. Now scroll down, select N and save. Now unresolved ticket, issues reported by me. This is your app. Now come back to your ATM maintenance app. Now we have to do is build an automation. We have returned to our chat app. Now click the customized card. Now click on customize card, my own. Okay, so now here firstly we have to change this message text to what we have been provided in our ongoing lab. So in the automation we have to just change this, copy this, you have created a new ticket and paste it in this section. Okay, now it is all set. Click on new action and now build my own. Click on configure event. Now click on create a new event. In the setting panel, provide these details: event name, new ticket, and we have event type add only. So in this here, we just have to this only have the checkbox on ads, and now symptoms to tickets. Okay, now now what we have to do is just click on save. The new bot has no defined processes. Click on edit, turn on linking, video edits will affect all other links used. New bot. Now click on save. Still the same issues. Conditions. Okay, or event, new event. Now click on Data Explorer, enter an expression. Now in enter an expression, what we have to add, just copy this and copy it here and click save. Now again click on save. Now it should work. Okay, so I got the issue what we are facing. Now just we have to add the step. Okay, now click on add step, then click on create new step. In the setting panel, click send a chat message. In the setting panel, click on send a chat message, and then for message content, choose a select chat space. Okay, message content, it is same. Now for space ID, click add, and then is you created in the previous task. Okay, now selecting the space. You have seen me created. Here we have created the ATM space. So now we are going to select ATM, and then in the message text box, type the message you have created a new ticket. Okay, so this is the text we have given earlier in our ongoing lab. So we will just enter it here. Okay, now click on save. In the top right also, now click on save. Now it is good to go. And if you come over here and click on check my progress, test. Okay, now the main thing which is remaining is to test our automation. Now we have to move to Google Chat app. Click on new ticket, move to Google Chat app, click to new ticket, and then what we have to do, in the first name type Frida, copy this Frida, or you can copy Frida from here. It is same in both. Now first name, enter Frida, type the ID you made earlier, ABC123, and also symptom. Okay, select the symptom of your choice. I am selecting connection error. Now then what we have to do, click save, and we will get a response back as you have created a new ticket. So our testing is also done, so we can go back to our task 2 and click on check my progress. I guess now it will get completed. Okay, so our task 1 and task 2 is completed. I'm sorry for the delay and the confusions, but this is going to be a very long lab. You have to be patient in this lab. Now our task 3 is create and publish an app script chatbot. Okay, so just simply right click on app script chatbot and open it in incognito window. Let this one get open. Now click on new project and come over here, close this tab, the reference tab you have opened. Now scroll down, click for hint, check for hint, and then open this introduction to Google chatbots with app script and open it in new tab. Okay, now open the tab here and copy this helper bot. Come here, click on untitled project, paste the name, click rename, come over here, then go to your chatbot, task 1, create a chat app. Now, okay, so now what we have to do, we will just go to our dashboard, API and services, and auth consents screen. Now get started, and moving here, And for configure the auth consent screen, copy app name, come over here, paste of app name. Make sure to not copy the extra space which I have already copied. Now user support email कॉपी करेंगे, जस्ट इसको यहाँ पे पेस्ट करेंगे, ये पहली वाली हमारी है। देन नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे, यहाँ पे इंटरनल को सिलेक्ट करेंगे, देन नेक्स्ट करेंगे। यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, ईमेल एड्रेस कॉपी करना है। तो हमें क्या करना है, अपनी यूज़र नेम, यहाँ से यूज़र नेम कॉपी किया और यहाँ पे अपना यूज़र नेम पेस्ट कर दिया, यही करना था। टेक्स्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन यूज़र नेम, ओके, यही करना था हमें। अब हमें क्या करना है, कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन में हमारा 2A 2A सेम वही है जो ये यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, वो ये पे यहाँ पे हमारा यूज़र नेम दे रखा है, ठीक है। Now what we have to do, just click next and then agree and continue and then create. Okay. Now what we have to do, come to your reference lab. तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, हमारे डैशबोर्ड पे आना है, कंसोल के यहाँ पे आओगे, क्लाउड ओवरव्यू पे होवर करना एंड देन डैशबोर्ड पे क्लिक करना। अब हमें क्या करना है, ये जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट नंबर यहाँ पे गिवन है, इस प्रोजेक्ट नंबर को कॉपी कर लेना और ये जो हमारी इनकॉग्निटो विंडो है, यहीं पे ये एक टैब ऐड करके यहाँ पे इसको स्टोर कर लेना फॉर फ्यूचर रेफरेंस। ओके। नाउ हमें क्या करना है, ऐप स्क्रिप्ट पे जाना है, देन प्रोजेक्ट सेटिंग फॉर फ्रेंडली बोर्ड प्रोजेक्ट। ओके, नाउ हम इस पे आ गए। नाउ हम सेटिंग्स पे जाएंगे, स्क्रॉल डाउन करेंगे एंड हमें क्लिक करना है चेंज प्रोजेक्ट पे, आई गेस। ओके, हाँ, हमें चेंज करना है, चेंज प्रोजेक्ट पे। नाउ ये हमारा जीसीपी प्रोजेक्ट नंबर जो था, जो हमने यहाँ पे कॉपी कर लिया था, सॉरी स्टोर कर लिया था, अब वो हम यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर देंगे एंड सेट प्रोजेक्ट पे क्लिक कर देंगे। ये हमारा हो गया सेट। ओके, नाउ कॉन्फ़िगर एंड पब्लिश द चैटबॉट, तो सिंपली टेस्ट डेवलपमेंट। नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, डिप्लॉय पे क्लिक करना है, देन टेस्ट डिप्लॉयमेंट पे क्लिक करना है एंड देन सेलेक्ट अ डिप्लॉयमेंट टाइप। नाउ क्लिक ऑन सेटिंग, I am clicking on web app and now I will copy and paste it in the new tab. Okay, now moving back to the script. Now what we have to do, move to dashboard in the API and services and library, and over here we have to do is Google Chat API. Search for Google Chat API. Now paste here and search. Now select the first one, then click on manage, then click the configuration tab. Now click on the configuration tab. Now in the app name, so just copy your helper bot, which is the name of your app. Now copy this here and copy this avatar URL, paste it in the avatar URL section and do not copy extra space. Now description is helper chatbot. Description is helper chatbot and functionality join spaces and groups conversation, join spaces and group conversations. Okay, and what I have to do, कनेक्शन सेटिंग में मेरे को क्या करना है, चेक ऐप स्क्रिप्ट पे, कन्वर्सेशन सेटिंग, कनेक्शन सेटिंग में मेरे को ऐप स्क्रिप्ट पे क्लिक करना है। नाउ ऐप स्क्रिप्ट में मेरे को यहाँ पे क्या करना है, अपना हेड डिप्लॉयमेंट आईडी जो मैंने यहाँ पे कॉपी कर रखी थी, इसको जो है यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर देना है। ये सब कुछ सेलेक्टेड है। नाउ विजिबिलिटी में मेरे को ये विजिबिलिटी में अपनी स्टूडेंट आईडी डालनी है, स्टूडेंट आईडी नहीं, यूजर ईमेल। Share tab available to specific and group in quick class. Enter email address to add individuals and group in domain. Visibility के अंदर यहाँ पे एंटर ईमेल एड्रेसेस टू ऐड इंडिविजुअल्स वाले सेक्शन में मेरे को अपनी अब ईमेल आईडी डालनी है जो हमें यहाँ पे यूजर नेम गिवन है, ये वाला जो यहाँ पे गिवन है, ठीक है। नाउ ऐप स्टेटस लाइव अवेलेबल टू यूजर्स, सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन सेव। Configuration is saved. Again clicking on save for confirmation. Okay, now it is saved. What we have to do is test the bot. Search for helper bot in Google Chat. Okay, now moving to Google Chat. Where is Google Chat? Here. So moving to Google Chat, in the view app, searching for helper bot. Now click on helper bot, then click add, then install app. Now helper bot is also created. Now what we have to do is start a new chat. Start a chat, search for friendly bot. Okay, friendly bot created. Now it is done. So we can simply click on our check my progress and then the next check my progress. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more such amazing content. And if you find any issue in this lab, feel free to contact our team. We are here to help you out. Thank you so much, guys.